What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yoda Expedition here, and these are the AlphaRex Pro Series taillights that we just installed on our 4Runner. These particular ones have a black housing as well as a smoked lens. These have a full LED layout with sequential turn signals, and they look really good on the 4Runner. Install is super easy, and it took less than 30 minutes to get both of these taillights installed, and the result was definitely worth it. Check them out. That's it for this video and the AlphaRex taillights. Hope you guys liked it. And remember, your expedition is on the horizon.